We'll guide you through how to edit YouTube Shorts in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once you're in, go to the Media tab at the bottom to import your video files. You can do this by dragging and dropping your clips into the Media pool. Then switch to the Edit tab. Here, you want to set up your timeline for a vertical format, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts. Go to File, then Project Settings, and set the timeline resolution to 1080 by 1920, making sure the aspect ratio is 9:16. This is crucial for Shorts. Once that's set, drag your video clip from the Media pool to the timeline. You might need to adjust the clip size to fit the new aspect ratio. Select the clip, and use the inspector on the top right to scale and reposition the video as needed. Now, if you want to add effects or transitions, go to the Effects library on the left panel. Here you can find a variety of transitions and effects. Simply drag and drop them onto your clips. If you're adding text, go to the Titles section in the Effects library. Choose a title style you like, and drag it onto a new layer in the timeline above your video. Customize the text using the Inspector. Once your editing is done, head over to the Deliver tab. Choose YouTube as your render setting for optimal quality. Make sure the resolution is set to 1080 by 1920, and adjust the frame rate to 30 frames per second, which works well for online videos. Set your file location, name your video, and click Add to Render Queue. Finally, hit Start Render. When finished, your video will be ready to upload as a YouTube short. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.